So, good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll discuss about LibreOffice package. Okay, it is a office package. We'll discuss some of the formulas and functions of LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet. Okay, very important formulas and functions. Practically, we'll do basically for class 10 students. Those are opting IT, information technology. For them, it is very helpful. So, some of the important functions and formulas, that is consolidate, data consolidation. Here we can merge, we can find the sum of two tables, maybe in one sheet or different sheet. We can merge it and find the sum or average of two table. Then how to find out the subtotal? We can find simultaneously total as well as grand total of individual students. Directly it will show if you will use subtotal formulas, functions. Then we will discuss about scenarios. Here we can use that scenario options so that we can know, we can make different scenarios and we can analyze. We can say it is analysis functions. Then multiple operations. One formula you will use and in multiple cell you can put your formula only using the multiple operation functions. Only one formula use and many places, many cells you can find out the different products, their profits. Okay, then goal seek. Here you can suppose any report card, your report card, any subject you secure 0 marks or less marks. If you want to, you just also, it is analysis function. You can analyze, you can analysis. If now suppose current your average, your percentage is 75. If you will make it 85, in which subject, what mark it will place, so that it will give 8, your average, it will change it, so automatically your any subject mark will be also changed. You can see also analyze. Okay, so quickly we'll start. First we'll move to data consolidation. Here like this table you need to make. Suppose example here given product name, some product name is mentioned. Here how many units of products you have and its price. Okay, suppose it is we can change the different unit or different price. Okay, we can change it. Okay, so what we'll do, first you make two tables. In one sheet you can make two tables, or different sheets you can use and make tables. First go to data, then consolidate option, function. You will click on data, then data consolidate. Data click consolidate. So here by default it is there sum function. You can see, and you can change it to average, count, minimum, maximum, whatever. Suppose in sum function we will do that. If here one consolidation range is there, you need to select the range where you want to, which cell you want to merge it. You want to make the sum of two tables. First you need to select. So if any consolidation range already it is there, you need to click there and delete. Fresh range will you need to put. So first select the first table like this, and add button is there, just click there. So first consolidation range it will show there. Then select second table, and add option is there, click it. Another option is there, copy results to. You can see there, copy results to. So here click, and in any blank cell where you want to copy that merge cell, you want to means paste that both the table, merging table. So just click any cell, then go to option. If you click on option, there are three labels are there, row labels, options are there. That three checkbox you need to tick. Okay, row labels, column labels, and link to source data. Then you click on OK. If you click on OK, so there you can see it will show the first Samsung product, and its first table unit is 10 units and second table unit is 50. So it is showing the mix of sum of two tables, first table and second table. It is 60, and its price, one is 250 and one is 200, 2500, and mix of that two price, that is 2700, 500, 2750. Okay, it will show the merge of two tables with its sum. Clear? So you can try it. Next we will move to subtotal. So here you can just you have made one report card of individual students, means some students report card with grand total. Subtotal you need to find out. So first select, then go to data menu, then subtotal. So in data menu, subtotal click. So here it will show first group, second group, third group, and options. And here use which function you need to use, sum function, count function, average, max, min, whatever you can use. So we need to find out the marks and its total marks and grand total marks. So we need to check only that subject name, English, math, IT, yes. Then sum function use, then OK click. If we press OK, look at the screen. Individually, it will show the results of total marks and its grand total, grand sum. You can see the grand sum of total students marks and their grand total. Can you see that? With individual first result, second result, third result, individually it will show. Okay. So next we move to scenarios. So here you just write the principal amount. We need to one interest. We need to find out. Suppose you want to take one loan from bank. So first you need to analyze what amount, principal amount you will give, and what interest you will give, and which how many years you will give, and the time period, and the interest rate of interest. Okay, you will tally both 2 3 banks interest and how much you need to give. You just verify it. Principal amount you will give. Suppose principal amount is 20,000. Then principal amount, whatever amount you give. Suppose you are given 2 lakhs, and the rate of interest is suppose 10%. Time period, suppose you give 8 years. You need to say then what is the interest. If you take 2 lakhs rupees, what are the rate of interest? 10% interest. Then time period 8 years you will give. Then what interest you need to give? It is 1,60,000. So for this you need to give the formulas. Equals to symbol. The first, when you will use any formulas, always formula start with equals to symbol. Then select B2, that principal amount value, click there, into B3 your rate of interest, into time period by 100. That simple interest formula. Then enter press so that it will display. So here important is just select, go to tools, scenarios. So here already scenario 1 is there. Only here you need to do, you can change the scenario name. You can change scenario names, and only color you need to change. Okay, then already display board, copy back, prevent changes. Okay, you can change the color. What is the difference? When I will give, instead of principal amount is 2 lakh, it is 3 lakh, with rate of interest is 12%. In 5 years I need to cover. Then what amount I want to give? It is changed, 1,80,000 interest you need to give. So here also you just mark it to analyze purpose. Again tools, scenario, change the name and color. Okay, click. So here like this 4 5 scenarios you make and change the amount or any interest, so that easily you can analyze one click. Scenario 3 this one, scenario 2 different color with different amount it will show, so that easily you can analyze all the scenarios. Okay, so next we move to multiple operations. Here only what you will do, suppose any product, their price, selling price, making cost, fixed cost, and its quantity, how many quantities you need to purchase, and what profit you will gain. For this you need to profit formulas you need to add. Formula is the making cost, within bracket making cost minus selling price, the selling price minus making cost, into quantity minus fixed cost. You will write and enter press, so that its profit it will show. What profit you will get if you will use all this selling price, making cost and fixed cost and quantities values. Simultaneously, if you change the quantity and what profit you will get, so by using the multiple operation formula, you need to select these are the quantities. You need to see, analyze what profit you will get from there. Just select the values of quantity and profit cell. Go to data and multiple operations. Formula cell, why it is the dialog box will appear. Formula cell is your what formula, profit formula you have used. One time you will use the formula and no need to use formulas again and again. Automatically it will come. Formulas, the formula, profit formula, whatever you have used, click that. Don't write 22,000 here. Only click there B6 cell and your then row there is a column cell you need to find out. So no need to give row input cell, only column input cell. Click the quantity, how much you want to purchase, okay, and how much you will get the profit. It will show when you click on OK. It will show the profit. Are you gaining or losing? Are you getting the profit or not? How much it will display properly? Yes, you can see that and write. Then we'll move to goal seek. So here all the subjects and marks out of 100 marks are given. But then suppose in one subject you have given 0 marks or less mark, whatever. Then you first find out the average. Average formula equals to average within bracket. Select the range from English marks to Hindi total. All the marks you need to select means C3 is to C8. That range you need to select. Then enter press so that it will show the average percent of a particular individual students. Here what happened? If you want to change the average, suppose you got here 69 point something, and if you got 85%, then in IT marks it is given 0 marks, and what marks will come if you will give 85%. So let us check by using the goal seek formula. So now go to tools, goal seek. So here in formula cell, click the where you have used the average formula you have used. Click that cell. They are written 69 point something. Click there. Don't write the 69 point something. Formula cell means you need to click the that formula cell. Then which subject you want to increase the mark so that you will get the proper average percentage. So for target value, which target value where you will give, suppose you need to secure 85%. For 85%, what mark you will get in IT so that you will get the 85% average. So variable cell is your 0 cell where you 0 or whatever less mark, which mark you want to increase, that cell you click. Suppose 0 cell we have clicked here. Variable formula cell is your average formula whatever you put, and target value you give the 85, 80, whatever percentage you need, and which mark, what mark, any other subject you will get so that that percent or average you will secure. Then OK click. Yes click. So here you can change if average is 85% and that IT marks it is there 0 marks, but In place of 0 it is changed to 95. If you will secure 95 marks, then your average will be, your percentage will be, total percentage or average will be 85. Yes. So let's try it. Thank you so much. Next class we'll learn more things. Bye bye.